I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, welcome back to another edition of Kip and I Stuff. On today's episode, we're going to take this log I found in my backyard and make it into a little box. Let's get started. Okay, the very first thing we need to do is to split this log to make some planks out of it. Normally you would use an axe for that, but axes are very sharp and dangerous. So I'm going to opt to use this plastic water bottle. And as I don't want to give anybody bad habits or teach them anything unsafe, I'll do this off camera. Okay, so now I've got a couple of these logs split, and I've got this ready to go, but now I need to turn it into planks. Normally, I would run it through a bandsaw, get a flat edge, then use a plane, hand plane, or even run it through my electric planer. But, as we all know, bandsaws cut off fingers with no effort, and planes have sharp blades in them, and electric planers are very loud, put out a lot of dust, and have a lot of sharp edges in them. So, once again, we'll use a bottle. And out of safety, we'll do it off camera. Okay, using our trusty water bottle, we have planed down and sized 4 pieces for the sides and ends of our simple box. Now we need to join the ends, and I could use brads or glue or cut complicated joints in the ends of these, but that's not necessary and it's very dangerous. Glue is toxic and you can die from it just by looking at the bottle, and using a back saw or something to cut joints, we can lose all of our fingers. So I'm just going to use the water bottle. Okay, we've got our box all joined together. Now we need to add a bottom to it. So we'll use this piece of wood and, of course, our plastic water bottle. Okay, we've got our box all done here. There's only one thing left to do. That's to take it out in the yard and bury it for safety, because boxes are dangerous. Thanks for watching.